Hi, today I found an amazing way to grow carrots using an egg carton. So today I'm going to grow some carrots in an egg carton, and this is going to save out thinning, save out spacing. So let's see how it goes. Hi, today I got these egg cartons and I got some carrots. I've just found an amazing way to grow carrots with egg cartons with no spacing, no thinning out. So let me show you what we're going to do. So I'm going to grow these carrots, and these are Autumn King. Excellent flavour, can be sowed May, June, direct sow plant outdoors. But I'm going to do these in an egg carton. And I thought this is a great idea if we put a carrot in each section, then there's no spacing, there's no thinning, and we'll have a nice selection of carrots. So what I'm going to do, prepare my egg carton. I'm just going to put my scissors through the hole just to pierce the hole. I'm not going to cut the off because we need as long as we can have. I'm just going to go through and pierce holes in all these, just piercing, wiggling it around. So the idea of using an egg carton is so there's no spacing, no thinning, and when the cardboard is on the ground, well, I'm going to use a bucket, then the cardboard will act as a barrier for weeds, and it will also keep in the moisture when the carrot's growing. There we go. So I've made holes in all our sections, and what I'm going to do is just take some compost and I'm going to fill these holes. I'm just using regular multi-purpose compost. And we're filling all these egg carton sections, firming it down. If we have various cartons, we could have a nice line going all the way down the allotment plot, and that will also stop the weeds through the cardboard using like a no dig effect. So I filled up all these sections and I'm firming it down. And then I need a pen or dibber. I'm just going to make a little hole in each of these. A bit more in there. And then we're going to take our seeds. This is an excellent main crop variety with a long, large, high quality conical roots. And what I'm going to do is take our seeds. I'm going to try and put one or two in each of these sections. Not as easy because they're so small. There we go, and that's all I'm going to do. And then I'm going to go back over and fill up the holes with another sprinkle of compost. There we go. That's going to be interesting. The cardboard will keep in the moisture, get rid of the big twigs, and then I'm just going to wet this in my spray bottle. So this can then be placed onto the allotment plot, onto your vegetable garden. And then hopefully we'll get some carrots. Well, I'm going to put this into a bucket. So I'm just going to fill this bucket up and place the carrots on top. So I've got my bucket and I'm going to use this for planting our carrots. I'm just going to fill this up with some multi-purpose compost. I'm using new compost just because I don't want any stones or anything to damage the carrots. So there we go. So this is my base. And I'm going to take my carrots and they're just going to sit on top. I just need to take a couple of these corners off just to make it sit in the tray so it sits flat. And there we go. It's just going to sit flat. On my tub, on the compost. There we go.